Hello everyone. I am honored to welcome you to the 45th Annual Conference of the East Chapter of the Chinese American Chemical Society. On behalf of the American Chemical Society and our global community, it is my pleasure to extend my warmest greetings and best wishes to all of you. This year's theme, Innovating Chemistry Together, 45 Years of Excellence, is especially meaningful. It comes at a truly historic moment as we celebrate the 150th anniversary of the ACS, alongside the 45th anniversary of CACS. I would like to sincerely thank the East Chapter of the Chinese American Chemical Society for your dedication, your leadership, and your commitment to the chemical sciences.
Good morning. Welcome to the 2026 East CACS Annual Conference. It's my great honor as the conference chair and president of East CACS to welcome our distinguished speakers, ACS leaders, rugged colleagues, valued sponsors, members, and friends. Thank you for joining us today as we celebrate two remarkable milestones, the 45th anniversary of CACS and the 150th anniversary of ACS. These milestones reflect decades of leadership, scientific achievement, and service to our professional community. They also remind us of our responsibility to continue driving innovation and fostering collaboration for future generations.
On behalf of the Department of Medicinal Chemistry and Ernest Marion School of Pharmacy, I want to welcome you all to Rutgers University. The School of Pharmacy was founded 134 years ago in 1892 as the New Jersey College of Pharmacy and changed its name in 2003 to the Ernest Marion School of Pharmacy because of a donation honoring Ernest Marion, who was the CEO of GlaxoSmithKline.
My first inspiration came around the beginning of my graduate studies. The first publication of the total sensitive polytoxin, which is by Professor Keisha at Harvard, that was involved 65 steps. It was a truly remarkable achievement. At the time when I think the compound was made in nature in one step, in air and water. So that's really the biggest inspiration. I think maybe in future we can do some new chemistry where we can essentially use nature as the model, potentially.
So looking forward, what do you think as to the biggest challenge or opportunity for green chemistry?
One of the biggest challenges shift the future chemical feedstock from the petroleum to the more renewable. It's not going to be sustainable for long, and there's a great potential because right now, when everyone's doing chemistry, you have to try so many reactions. Actually, many people are trying the same reactions worldwide, every lab.
What do you suggest for the young researcher or current PhD student? They want to continue their career in chemistry or organic synthesis?
For younger people and also beginning investigators and students as well, find a unique problem in our society and aim high. It's like the old saying, if you aim at the moon, even if you missed, you'll probably get the star.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Melody Dai. I'm the plenary session chair for the ECAS 45 anniversary conference for this year. And here I have Alina Polensky joining me as a keynote speaker.
Thank you, Melody. I'm delighted to be here with all of you today. I'm the founder and managing partner of Somerset Solutions Advisory Partners. And as Melody's mentioned, I've been in pharma and biotech for the last 25 years. It's a changing industry. The factors that are impacting our industry today are nothing that I've seen in years before. We are talking about tariffs, global geopolitical risk. In a world post-COVID, that the next black swan event is something that we haven't planned for. We have to be prepared for the thing that we don't know. We have to build supply chain resiliency into all of our product plans, whether that means dual production, onshoring, nearshoring, so many different options that perhaps we haven't really been considering in the past when we were really more focused on cost versus resiliency.
Recently, that I see that you just engaged a executive program at MIT for AI. What do you see that how AI is going to help or facilitate the development in the biopharmaceutical companies?
Well, there's many things about AI. There's a lot we don't know, and we're all learning together. But there are some core principles around AI that aren't different than any other technology, which is you need good data. If you start with good data, the rest will come. You need to understand your processes, because if you don't, you will just automate bad processes.
Thank you for joining us today. We appreciate that your keynote and appreciate your perspective showing here. And we wish you good luck with your new adventure.
Thank you so much. I'm really thrilled to be here with you today.
Hello guys, I'm coming from CACS.com. I'm Lee, the CEO of CACS.com. CACS.com is a New York-based pharmaceutical and device distributors, and we have licenses in more states in America. And today I'm very glad to have this opportunity to be here and welcome cooperation with us. Thank you guys.
We are Precise Peg, and we are a product company specializing in linker products, supporting ADC, and other technologies such as drug delivery system and bioconjugation technologies. We're based in Delaware, but with operations in both US and China. Right now, the company has about 200 employees. We can support customers with our catalog products and the medicinal chemistry to manufacturing of the linker products.
Hi, my name is Fan Li. I'm the principal and founder of Apex 974, the R&D AI consulting service. I have a great opportunity to be here today to present my work and my service at the ECASS annual conference. And thanks for the opportunity to sponsor this great event.
Adam, thank you for being here with us.
Well, no, thank you for having. I'm very excited to be part of this 45th anniversary of the society here.
Traditionally, when we look at food industry, we are thinking about natural products, all that. But you are bringing in like more the health care piece, that which I feel very fascinating from a biopharma background.
A lot of that also is the evolution of how we think of food, right? And what we're there. Some of it, there's the hedonics, the pleasure of it. We want to enjoy what we eat, but that's a physiological, biological response to our environment to encourage us to go for things that are nutritious. Because as the species we evolved, we needed to ensure that we were getting the energy needed to survive in our environment. That paradigm has changed in the sense of now people are thinking more health conscious. They're looking for fortification. We're fortifying it with protein. So our fundamental approach needs to be a little bit more driven on the biology of how we perceive these things. And then can we use that science to build better solutions? And that means finding the right flavor molecule or finding the right blend for the reproduct formulation to be able to hit on the fundamentals of people want healthier food. People are looking at protein, for example, as a proximity to health, and then making sure that it hits the happiness that food brings because you want to do it again.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Adam, for joining us, and hopefully we'll see you in our future events.
This conference to me is really wonderful, and I'm really happy to see that so many people are here together for the same goal. Let's figure out what can we do collectively to contribute to a sustainable future. That's really wonderful.
based on your experience for over multiple decades, that with the intersection with academia and innovated in chemistry, coating chemistry, and as well as material engineering, and also corporate governance as a board member. How did it shape the field from your angle?
It's a huge change. I think our society has realized we cannot keep just doing what we have been doing. We should use a lot of resources that nature offered to us abundantly and just generate whatever we want for our own need without considering is that sustainable for the future for our next generation or many generations to come. I think we realize we cannot continue to do things like we used to. So I think just that mindset, when you start developing your product, is already a huge change. So you will think about what are the technologies I wanted to use that preferably not use more energy, more resources that's constrained on Earth, rare earth metal, for example, and find solutions that can do both, provide a solution for today and not damaging the earth for tomorrow.
With that being said, the innovation is not only the science is in play, right, as well as the government policies need to go along, right, so that we have a whole ecosystem to support it. Yeah, thank you for sharing your perspective. Very, very, valuable to us, to the community.
Thank you for having me.